Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious dragon fruit lemonade. I know you guys are going to love it and it's perfect for this hot weather. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. We need a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, 1 dragon fruit, lemons, these are organic from my garden, water and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing dragon fruit lemonade. So let's get started.
I want to start first making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, and to this I'm going to add half a cup of water. Let's go to the stove and let's start dissolving the granulated sugar. And to tell you the truth, if you make your simple syrup at home, you don't use as much sugar as if you just add the regular granulated sugar. It takes a couple minutes, and when it's nice and clear just like that, then it's ready to use. Now I have here my lemons, my organic lemons, and I'm going to rinse them through running water. This step is very important and it really doesn't take too long. Once this is done, I am ready to slice them and get the juice out of these delicious and organic lemons. As you could see, they have no seeds at all. That means I'm going to use the pulp of the lemon too. I'm going to continue slicing each one. They are small, but they have a lot of juice inside, and I'm going to make sure that I don't leave any behind. Look at this. One by one, I'm going to get all the delicious juice out of the lemons, and I'm going to use the pulp too. Well, I'm going to continue slicing and getting the juice out of the lemons. I am completely done, and I have here 1 whole cup of lemon juice. My mouth is watering. They are small, but you know something? They have a lot of juice. Look at this. I am ready to start preparing this delicious dragon fruit lemonade. Try it. Make it at home. I know you guys are going to love it. I have my glass cup. I'm adding my lemon juice, my pinch of salt, my simple syrup, my water. Remember, simple syrup is to taste. I'm adding enough water here. I'm just going to mix it a little bit and let me taste it. Let me see if I need to add a little more sugar. But you know something? This is perfect. I don't need anything else. Look at this. You could see the pulp of the lemon right on the top. You could really see the color of the lemon. This lemonade really comes out so delicious and refreshing. And as you know, the dragon fruit has a lot of properties, antioxidants. It has very good benefits for your body. But let's rinse it first. We need to go ahead and just make sure that we rinse it very well through running water. When this is done, then we are done to slice it. Let's slice it and see if this is going to be a red or a white dragon fruit. Look at this. This is the red or burgundy dragon fruit. Look at all that delicious pulp. Of course, you don't want to waste any at all. I'm going to start slicing it one way just like this, and then I'm going to turn it around and continue slicing. I want to make sure that I get very little tiny pieces all through my lemonade, and this is the way I do it here at home. Look at this. You could see the little tiny squares, and at the same time they're gonna release all the delicious color, the flavor. This lemonade comes out perfect every time. Just like this. I'm going to continue doing the same procedure until I am completely done. And of course, I'm not going to leave anything behind. This is completely done. Let me show you how the little pieces look. They're very tiny, so when you drink your lemonade. You can still feel the little pieces of the dragon fruit and enjoy them. These are the ingredients. I have my lemonade here with the pulp. I have the dragon fruit here. Look at this. This is just amazing. I could just eat it just like that with the spoon, spoon it out and eat it and enjoy it. And here is all the little tiny pieces of the dragon fruit. Well, now I am ready to assemble and get ready my lemonade. I have my pitcher here and I'm gonna add enough ice, just a little on the bottom, and then I'm gonna add some tablespoons of the dragon fruit, a little more ice, a little more dragon fruit, and so on until I am completely done. I want to make sure that this lemonade comes out perfect, delicious, refreshing, and of course, nice and cold. And now I am just ready to pour the delicious lemonade. Look at this. This looks amazing, and I can't wait to prepare my glass. The colors really infuse the lemonade. The flavor gets really infused. This is just perfection. I am completely done. I am ready for the presentation, and I'll see you in a bit. With this delicious dragon fruit lemonade. This is the part that I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes, especially in this hot weather. But you know something? Let me try it because it looks amazing. And this is the part I really love and enjoy. You know something? It's so refreshing. The taste of the dragon fruit is just amazing. You have the little pieces in your mouth. You could taste the fruit. It's just refreshing and amazing. I hope, my friends, you give it a try. Make it at home for your loved ones. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe. Leave me a thumbs up. Share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated so every time I make a delicious recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay refreshing myself with this delicious dragon fruit lemonade made at home with lots of love. See you on my next delicious recipe. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.